Hey guys, today I just wanted to make a quick video about using alerts to, you know, let you know when you should be getting in trades. And, trading, it takes a lot of patience. You know, as a trader, you spend 90% of your time planning and waiting for trades to come to you, waiting for the setup to tell you to get in, waiting for the signal to get out, waiting for your level, your price level to hit so that you can take profit, or your stop loss level to hit so that you can cut losses. But 90% of trading is just waiting for these things to happen because trading takes time, right? And we look at different time frames, and depending on which time frame you're trading, it can take a lot of time. So if you are trading these higher time frames especially, then you want to be setting alerts. And Thinkorswim, is really powerful software that can help you, get the signal to enter your trade without ever really having to watch it. And I'm just sitting here looking at this and looking at this section, and I'm thinking to myself, if you were a trader watching the S&P 500 ETF SPY, and you saw that this is resistance, right? All you would have had to do, we never got above this, we never even touched it again. All you would have had to do, you right click on this price level, your resistance level that you've made, right? So in my other video, I show you about how to make, or how to, create that roadmap, mark your support and resistance levels and help establish a plan to trade. And so if you already know how to do that, you've already figured out how to draw in your resistance. Once you have done that, you right click on it, you create alert with that drawing, and all you want to know is when price crosses above, you want to buy, right? So now we have an alert, and when price crossed above, that was your signal to go look at SPY, see what's happening, and decide if you want to get into a trade. So if you set these alerts, you can let the trade come to you and not have to watch it for, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days where maybe this was not even interesting to you because it was just up and down consolidating. But then when price broke out, that gave you a signal to get into a trade. Now, it's not just price levels that we can use. When stocks are trending in channels, we can see that we held through here. We can set an alert, create an alert with this trend line. And when price closes below, sell or short, right? So whenever price crosses below this trend line right here, we would have gotten an alert that, maybe we want to be shorting. So you come down and you look at your lower time frames and you see if you want to be getting into that trade. And if you did, if you waited until something like that happened, let the alert tell you when to get into the trade, you could have made some good money. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how you can use alerts to identify trades. And if you already know how to draw your support and resistance levels, you already know how to draw channels, you should be setting alerts with those support and resistance levels to help you identify a good trade opportunity. All right. Well, I hope that helps. Have a nice day.